Hey everyone, and welcome to Lift and Shift Fit. Today we're diving into the secrets of shedding that stubborn lower belly fat. Ever wondered why it's so tough to lose? It's all about hormones, genetics, and lifestyle. Our bodies are designed to store fat for energy, and often it finds a cozy spot around our lower belly. Hormones like insulin and cortisol can make it even harder to shed this fat. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and tricks to help you say goodbye to lower belly fat for good. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to tackle this challenge head-on. Let's get started. The first step in shedding lower belly fat is to eat smart. This means making conscious choices about what you put into your body. It's not just about cutting calories, but about nourishing your body with the right kinds of foods that will help you achieve your goals. Focus on whole foods, veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are not only nutrient-dense, but also help in maintaining a balanced diet. Whole foods are minimally processed, which means they retain most of their natural nutrients. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet ensures that you get a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. These foods are packed with nutrients and can help you feel full longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. When you eat nutrient-dense foods, your body gets the fuel it needs to function optimally. This can lead to better energy levels, improved mood, and even better sleep. Plus, when you feel full and satisfied, you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks that can derail your progress. Start your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein and fiber. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day for a reason. A nutritious breakfast can kickstart your metabolism, provide you with the energy you need to tackle your day, and set the tone for healthier eating habits throughout the day. Think oatmeal with berries and a side of scrambled eggs. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, which can help keep you full and satisfied. Berries add a touch of natural sweetness and are packed with antioxidants. Scrambled eggs provide a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Avoid sugary drinks and processed snacks, which can spike your blood sugar and lead to fat storage. Sugary drinks like sodas and fruit juices are often loaded with empty calories and can cause rapid spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. This can lead to increased hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to your healthy eating plan. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or black coffee. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can help control hunger. Herbal teas and black coffee are great low-calorie options that can provide a boost of energy without the added sugars and calories found in many other beverages. Planning your meals and snacks ahead of time can also help you make healthier choices. When you have a plan in place, you're less likely to make impulsive food choices that can derail your progress. Meal prepping can save you time and ensure that you always have healthy options available, even on your busiest days. When you're prepared, you're less likely to reach for that bag of chips or candy bar. Having healthy snacks on hand, like nuts, fruits, or yogurt, can help you stay on track and avoid the temptation of unhealthy options. It's all about setting yourself up for success by creating an environment that supports your goals. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating right. Quality matters just as much as quantity. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can ensure that your body gets the fuel it needs to function at its best. This can lead to better overall health, increased energy levels, and a greater sense of well-being. Your body needs fuel to function properly, so give it the best quality fuel you can. Think of your body as a high-performance machine that requires premium fuel to operate efficiently. By making smart food choices, you can support your body's natural processes and work towards achieving your health and fitness goals. Eating smart is not just a temporary diet, but a sustainable lifestyle change that can lead to long-term success. Next up, let's talk about staying active. Physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It not only helps you manage your weight, but also improves your overall well-being. Whether you prefer running, cycling, or swimming, there are countless ways to stay active and keep your body in top shape. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming are great for burning calories and shedding fat. These activities get your heart rate up and improve cardiovascular health. They also release endorphins, which can boost your mood and reduce stress. So, lace up your running shoes, hop on your bike, or dive into the pool to get your heart pumping. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. This can be broken down into manageable sessions, such as 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If you're short on time, you can opt for high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which can be just as effective in shorter bursts. Track your progress with a smartwatch or fitness app to stay motivated and see your improvements over time. But don't stop there. Strength training is equally important. Incorporating weightlifting or resistance exercises into your routine helps build muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Strong muscles support your joints, improve balance, and reduce the risk of injury. Plus, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're at rest. Building muscle boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Consider working with a personal trainer to learn proper techniques and create a personalized strength training plan. Focus on different muscle groups each session to ensure a balanced workout. Remember, it's not just about lifting heavy weights. Proper form and consistency are key to seeing results. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups into your routine. These bodyweight exercises are highly effective and can be done anywhere, without the need for special equipment. They target multiple muscle groups, improving strength and endurance. Start with a few sets of each exercise and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. These compound movements engage multiple muscle groups, giving you more bang for your buck. Compound exercises like deadlifts, bench presses, and rows are excellent for building overall strength and muscle mass. They also improve coordination and stability, making everyday activities easier and more efficient. Don't forget to mix it up to keep things interesting and challenging. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for your fitness routine. Trying new workouts can prevent boredom and keep you motivated. Join a group fitness class, experiment with different types of exercises, or follow online workout videos to keep your routine fresh and exciting. Try a new fitness class, go for a hike, or join a sports team. Engaging in different activities not only keeps you physically active, but also provides social interaction and a sense of community. Whether it's a dance class, a hiking group, or a local sports league, finding a supportive environment can make staying active more enjoyable and sustainable. Staying active doesn't have to be a chore. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your life. The key is to choose exercises that you look forward to, so it feels less like a task and more like a fun and rewarding experience. Whether it's a solo run in the park, a group yoga session, or a friendly game of basketball, make physical activity a joyful part of your daily routine. Consistency is key, so keep moving and stay committed to your fitness goals. Set realistic and achievable targets, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, staying active is a lifelong journey, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. So stay active, stay motivated, and enjoy the benefits of a fit and active lifestyle. Chapter 3. Manage stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how we manage it can make a significant difference in our overall well-being and health. Finally, let's address stress management. It's essential to recognize that stress can impact not only our mental health, but also our physical health. High stress levels can raise cortisol, a hormone that prompts your body to store fat, especially around the belly. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues if not managed properly. Finding ways to manage stress is crucial for your overall health and weight loss journey. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as jogging or stretching, can help reduce stress levels and improve your mood. Start with simple breathing exercises. Deep breathing can be done anywhere and at any time, making it a convenient tool for stress management. Taking deep breaths can calm your mind and reduce stress in just a few minutes. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Laughter is another powerful stress buster. Watch a funny movie, read a humorous book, or engage in activities that make you laugh. Laughter releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Or spend time with friends who make you laugh. Social connections and positive relationships can provide emotional support and help you cope with stress. Don't underestimate the power of rest and relaxation. Taking time to unwind and relax can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Quality sleep is essential for your body to recover and rejuvenate. A well-rested body is better equipped to handle stress and maintain a healthy weight. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve your sleep quality. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or even a warm bath into your routine. These activities can help you relax, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Taking time for yourself and engaging in activities that promote relaxation can help you manage stress more effectively. Remember, managing stress is not just about reducing it, but also about building resilience and finding balance in your life. By incorporating these stress management techniques into your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Additionally, consider activities like journaling, engaging in creative hobbies, or spending time in nature. These can provide a sense of calm and help you process your thoughts and emotions. Practicing mindfulness and being present in the moment can also help reduce stress. Activities like Tai Chi or simply enjoying a scenic view can bring a sense of peace and tranquility. If stress becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Talking to a therapist or joining a support group can provide valuable insights and coping strategies. Setting realistic goals and planning your day can also help manage stress. Breaking tasks into manageable steps and prioritizing can make you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Finally, make time for activities you enjoy. Whether it's cooking, gardening, or any other hobby, doing things you love can bring joy and reduce stress. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you can manage stress more effectively and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, it's about finding what works best for you and making it a part of your daily routine. So, take a deep breath, find your balance, and embrace the journey to a healthier, stress-free life. Outrow patience is key. Shedding lower belly fat doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. Stay focused on eating smart, staying active, and managing stress. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on feeling your best. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Lift and Shift Fit. Keep pushing forward, and remember, you've got this.